form.is_valid is returning false when using ModelForm. I am creating a form using ModelForm to let the users upload a file along with a description. The is_valid function isn't returning true, and I am really confused. I have searched and there are many questions with same title as mine, but they don't solve my problem. Here is forms.py. Here is models.py. Here is views.py. Here is feedModel_form.html. Here is form.html.
To see why the form isn't valid, you should check form.errors. One error will be because you have not passed request.files to the form. There may be other errors as well. If you used form in your template, Django would include the errors automatically. Since you are rendering the fields manually, it's up to you to include the errors. The key problem here is that you have overridden post. That means that you're missing out on lots of the code from createView. In your case, it looks like you could remove the post method and simply override form_valid instead.
Your document field expects an uploaded file and is required. In order for the form to actually get the file, you have to also pass it the uploaded file in views.py.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and